Hello everyone. Today I will talk about cups. I have I have a cup. This is a cup. A cup. This is a red cup. A red cup. Is this a blue cup? No, this is not a blue cup. This is a red cup. Is this a yellow cup? No, this is not a yellow cup. This is a red cup. Is this a red cup? Yes, this is a red cup. This is another cup. This is a blue cup. Is this a red cup? No, this is not a red cup. This is a blue cup. And this is another cup. This is a yellow cup. Is this a yellow cup? Yes, this is a yellow cup. How many cups do I have? How many cups do I have? I have one, I have two, and I have three. I have 3 cups. I have a red cup, a blue cup, and a yellow cup. A red cup, a blue cup, and a yellow cup. I have 3 cups.